Hello students, welcome back to English literature classes. Today our topic is periodical essay characteristics. Okay, write a short note on the characteristics of a periodical essay, giving example from the essays read by you. Okay, periodical essay characteristics. So without wasting much time, we should start this video on this topic. Okay. An essay is published at regular intervals, longer than a day but shorter than a year, as weekly, monthly, etc., is called a periodical essay. Accordingly, all the articles published in the periodical magazine are periodical essays. Generally, they deal with a certain set of characters who visit different places or discuss different problems of current importance. Thus, they get an opportunity of discussing important subject in a comprehensive way as well as suggesting a practical solution of the problem. Addition popularized and perfected this style, but later on Lamb contributed periodical essay without following this design. Addison and Lamb are popular writers of periodical essays. Okay. नेक्स्ट पॉइंट है आपका एडिशन एंड पीरियडिकल एसेज ओके एडिशन प्रेजेंट्स हिज कंटेम्प्रेरी सोसाइटी इन दीज एसेज ही शोज हाउ पीपल ऑफ हिज time have grown indifferent to church. They don't attend sermons, prayers, and palms. The landlords have no interest in making the people regular in church. There is no harmony between the landlord and the person. How common people suffer in these circumstances is well exposed by addition in Salazar at church. Additions gives example of another village where the landlord has a dispute with the chaplain. The chaplain criticizes the religious activities. Time have grown indifferent to church. They don't attend sermons, prayers, and palms. The landlord have no interest in making the people regular in church. There is no harmony between the landlord and the person. How common people suffer in these circumstances is well exposed by addition in Sarosaret church. Okay. The parsons is always preaching at the square and the square to be revenged on the parsons never comes to church. The square has made all his tenants atheists and tax stealers, while the parsons instruct them every Sunday in the dignity of his order and insinuates to them in almost every sermon that he is better man than his patron. First point is addition and the periodical essay. Second is Charles Lamb and the periodical essay. And third, use of poetic style. And fourth point है use of proverbial statement. And fifth है आपका conclusion. Okay. Addition's purpose behind writing of essay is reformative. The reformative attitudes is exposed when he throws light on the importance of spending Sunday in church. Sunday keeps the country people civilized and refined, and the weekly occurrence of this day maintains their civility and grooming. If there had been no Sunday, people would have remained uncivilized and savage, and those attributes which make a person uncivilized would not have got the chance to develop. Sunday, being the day of physical and mental rest, enables the peoples to devote time to their physical appearance. Their dresses in their best dresses, looking neat, tidy, and spruce. All the parishioners gather at a common place where they discuss with one another subjects of common interest. They can also visit the church on this day where the parish priest preaches to them about their duties, and they all together join the divine service with the whole congregations. It is certain the country people would soon degenerate into a kind of savage and barbarians were there not such frequent return of a state time in which the whole village meet together with their best faces and in their cleanest habit to converse with one another upon indifferent subjects, hear their duties explained to them, and join together in adorations of the Supreme Being. Addition's narrative skill is remarkable. He develops the character of Sir Roger so nicely that Sir Roger seems to be a real human being to make the character lively. He infuses sufficient humor in it. It is a Addison's successes that he points out positive effect of Sir Roger's singularities. Sir Roger's practical wisdom and its great impact on villagers may be traced without difficulty. The villagers are not very civilized. Sir Roger's strange behavior has a good effect on them. Sir Roger has great authority on them. He keeps them in a good order. Nobody is allowed to sleep during sermons. Nobody may disturb others. All villagers are regular in church and the prayers. Sir Roger's singularities to make a positive effect on villagers when he lengthens out a verse or pronounces Amen 3 or 4 times, villagers come to know that their landlord is attentive, and they too become interested in sermons, prayer, and poems. It is wrong to think that these singularities blemish his quality. On the contrary, it imports them glory in excess. And the next point is Charles Lamb and the periodical essay. Lamb's most important literary essay were contributed to the London magazine under the pseudo name Elia. Lamb's essays are written in autobiographical style. And the next point is use of poetic style. Use of poetic style is a remarkable quality of Lamb's style that it is a poetic in tone. Whenever Lamb treats deep emotion, it becomes difficulty to decide if it were an essay or a poetic composition. For example, in the end of the essay Dream Children, what he writes is an example of poetic prose. Okay? When the imaginary children begin to recede in the background while living, they tell them that they are nothing but dreams. There is no reality about them. They are only the product of imagination. Thousands and thousands of years will pass for them, waiting upon the shores of the river lakes before they may have any existence. In other words, their existence is almost impossible because Lamb could never get married in his life. Okay. Next point is use of proverbial statements. Lamb's essay are full of proverbial statements. लैम्ब के जितने भी ऐसे हैं वो लोकोक्तियों से भरे हुए हैं. उसमें इस तरह के वाक्य मिलते हैं जो लोकोक्तियों से भरे हुए होते हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, ड्रीम चिल्ड्रन इज ए नैरेटिव ऐसे. ड्रीम चिल्ड्रन का एक वर्णनात्मक निबंध है. दैट्स ओपन इन द स्टाइल ऑफ ए शॉर्ट स्टोरी विद ए proverbial statements. Okay. Children loves to listen to a story about their elders when they were children. Children love to listen story. बच्चे कहानियों को सुनना बहुत पसंद करते हैं. About their elders, जो भी उनके बड़े होते हैं. When they were children, जब वो बच्चे थे. Okay. And the conclusion of this periodical essays. Addition presents his contemporary society in this essay. Okay. So thank you for watching my YouTube channel. Thank you so much. Thank you.